Pins and cats and cats and pins. Pins and cats and cats and pins. Pins and cats and cats and pins and pins and cats and cats and pins. Look at her, she's so soft and sweet. This is Trinket. She's so soft. She's so sweet. She's 7 weeks old. Right? My very favorite movie is The Aristocats. Yes, it is. The Aristocats. Yes.
Help me.
You should see the other one behind the screen.
Go
on, show them. Bring him in the front. He's so cute. He's little. He's little. He's not looking at the camera now. He's looking at the camera.
It won't focus on him.
He's so little. He's so little. All right.
Help me, sister, please.
I have 2 pin things that Trinket and I would like to show you. Some new pins that I got from Shop Disney. And they're both very special, limited edition. I don't know why I'm talking like this, but I really wanted these. I did the merch pass on 4 different people's accounts and I got 1 set. So I had tried for the mug, and for the first time I tried for the Minnie Mouse plush. I wanted the ears so badly, but I got 1 set of pins. So you might want to see these. These are this month's Minnie Mouse main attraction. They're limited release, and of course it's Haunted Mansion theme.
Okay, but I think he just let out a tiny meow. He wants to get down.
Who did that?
Panda.
Did you see them? Did you see them through the plastic? Because I'm not taking the plastic off. Because I'm.
Wait, was that Panda who did the meow?
Yes. Would you come take Panda?
Yeah, I got it.
Trinket's being all mellow. Okay. The other thing I got is more related to cats. I just turned 50 this year, and something else is turning 50 this year. In December, it will be the 50th anniversary of my favorite Disney movie, and I knew there'd be commemorative pins. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah. And I wanted all the commemorative pins. This is the first jumbo pin that came out, and I got it! Aristocats! You see that?
Why are you playing the cat on my train table? How dare you?
All right,
Please on
now
here.
it comes in a nice little display box that actually has a magnet on it. And then it comes in this fancy dancy thing. And I am going to take it off the fancy dancy thing and show it to you. And then it will go back. Maybe I won't.
The cats are just all over my table, like.
It's got 2 pin backs.
All right, so if anyone wants 1 kitten,
everybody wants to be a cat. Come here, give me him, give me Panda. Everybody wants to be a cat. You know, everybody wants to be a cat. In case you're wondering, I'm sorry, we found these little strays in the backyard with their mama, who is feral and hungry. And yes, I know, I'm not the bearded one. He's, oh, gotcha. I can't show you the back of the pin because I've got my hands full. But I really, this is the 2nd year in a row that we found adorable kittens in our backyard, and they just had a bath in Dawn today. And so they are soft and clean. I did say that in the last video. I'm batch filming today because that's how it goes around here. Kittens on the loose. All right. Pins and cats and cats and pins. Pins and cats and cats and pins. Pins and cats and cats and pins and pins and cats and cats and pins.
Cats.
Cats. Cats and pins and kittens and pins, kittens and pins and cats and pins.
Don't jump! Oh my god! It was really beginning to think about.
I love the 70s colors on this pin. Can we talk about that for a second? So cool. All right. Anyway, I know you guys don't care about the pin. You only care about the kittens and the junk that they are knocking off the table here. Thank you so much for sticking with us in our madness. We appreciate you. We appreciate all your comments, all your likes, all our subscribers. Kitten jumping. And seriously, who wants the two most adorable kittens to bring light and love to their life? See, if you too have an 11-year-old preteen who will react to cute kittens like this.
I'm not the preteen.
You are a preteen.
I'm only a 1-year-old kid.
He's the tallest 1-year-old I've ever seen.
He's also the smartest.
Tallest 11-year-old. Oh my gosh, they're so
Stop! He keeps just wanting to jump off the table.
cute. You are all calm.
Coronavirus.
No.
Wholesome moment.